Who's ready for some unboxings? So I'm just doing my skincare unboxings from this week. I did get some makeup brands, but we are just going to focus on skincare and body care. First brand up, we got some product from Dermalogica. So I've already opened these boxes. There's some stuff that is missing, I think, from the Palmer's box already, but yeah, so let's get into Dermalogica first. Welcome to the tribe. Your journey to healthy, radiant skin starts here. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's see what they sent us. Look at that. Okay. They sent us a pre-cleanse. Oil removes makeup, sunscreen, and debris. Daily skin health. So this is their pre-cleanse. Then they sent us a special cleansing gel. So this will be after our pre-cleanse. Gentle foaming cleanser. And they sent us their daily microfoliant. Okay, #1 bestseller. Brightening rice-based powder exfoliant. I'm actually really excited to try this. So let's see about that. And then they sent also their Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. So it's a firming and age-defending daily moisturizer. That's amazing. And it has SPF 50. We love some moisturizers with SPF. I'm so excited to try these. It seems like it's about to be a really, really nice summer for my skin. So I will let you guys know how I like these, and you guys will obviously see this in my content. Thank you so much, Dermalogica. I am excited to try these. I can't wait. Okay, next box up is going to be from Kiehls. Give me a second. Okay, our second box is from Kiehls. This is everything that they... Oh, hold on. This is everything that they sent us. This is everything that came to the box. So give it a second. Ugcbysachi, treat your skin to a complete sensory experience. This routine features the Invigorating Grapefruit Body Cleanser and Scrub. Okay, hold on. They're listing everything here, so I won't say that. Share your journey to radiant skin. Kiehls social team. Awesome. Okay, so this is what they sent us. Okay, so this is the gently exfoliating body scrub. It is grapefruit. Hold on. This has aloe vera and chamomile in it. Okay, I haven't opened this. Only one I really opened up was the Palmer's box. Ooh, this smells really good. Look at this, guys. I don't even know what I was doing. Okay, that gets thrown out. Let me put this back in the box. And I was just running out of scrubs, so that's amazing. Then we have Kiehls Bath and Shower Liquid Body Cleanser, which is also grapefruit with plant protein and sodium PCA. Oh, this smells even better. I actually cannot wait to try this out. Okay, and now they sent me also their Nourishing Dry Body Oil. So hold on. I wonder if this smells like anything. I don't think it has a... Ooh. This smells good. Ooh, enriched with squalene and grapeseed oil. Okay, that's why. And it is dry. It dries fast, but feels nice. Okay, I cannot wait to use this on top of the scrub and body cleanser. And they also sent us a better screen UV serum. It has sunscreen, SPF 50 with collagen peptide. Helps visibly correct fine lines and even skin tone and dull skin. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out if this is for the face or for the body. I'm assuming this is for the body. This has to be for the body. And with the spray, but it says fine lines and wrinkles, so I'm not sure. Ooh. It's probably for body. I'll look it up. But it feels really nice. I can't wait. This is such a nice smell. Oh my gosh. Grapefruit. Oh yeah. And I don't even eat grapefruit, but this smells so amazing. Thank you so much, Kiehls. I really appreciate it. This is about to be a nice shower routine. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're moving on to the Palmer's box. Okay, now this is the Palmer's box. Thank you for choosing Palmer's. Show your glow, Palmer's team. Okay, awesome. I've already opened this box because this came in earlier in the week, and I'm just gonna let you guys know everything in this box. Like, I either own it, haven't tried it, and I'm gonna be using it religiously. Something. There's also like something that's not in here is, yeah, there's an item that's already not in here because I've been using it all week. I've loved it so much, and it's in my bathroom. So first things first, it does come in a tote bag, which is amazing. Thank you so much, Palmer's, because I'm going to be using this bag this summer. We're going to get into the body care first because they sent me a whole bunch of my favorite body care and also some stuff that I haven't tried yet. And they also sent me some new skincare, which is what I was just talking about earlier, that is not in the box. So first we're going to start off with their Tahitian vanilla. This is their daily body lotion. It smells amazing. Literally opened this up and I was like, oh my gosh. It definitely smells different than your regular vanilla. I have seen this so many times in stores and just I've never had the time to just open up the bottle and smell it. I've just kind of stuck to all the products that I have known from Palmer's. I usually use a lot of their body oils and their coconut lotions. When I tell you this smells so good by itself, like especially for nighttime. Like I've gone to sleep because of this smell. Or layering it underneath some perfumes. I've layered this underneath some Gucci Flora, amazing. I've layered it underneath some of my Dossier perfumes, amazing. Get you some of this. Next thing we have up on the body care lines are my two, like literally these are two of some of my favorite body oils. You guys have seen me doing videos with this body oil before. This gives me so much shimmer, so much shimmer. Also just the glow that I want. I usually put this on top of any of my other body oils or body creams. I'm just gonna pump this out for you guys. I'm gonna open this because I don't even know if I have my other one here. I have the smaller one. They sent me 2 full-size bottles. So okay, it pumped it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you guys can't see that. It's okay. I'm gonna rub it out. Can you guys see that? Maybe just a little bit. I'm sorry. It's all right. But it gives such a nice radiant glow with a little bit of color. If you want a little bit more color, then like, you know, I have other products for that. The next one is their coconut hydrate body oil. I do use this a lot. I mainly use this during the fall, to be honest. But they also sent me a full-size bottle of this, so I can't wait. I still have like half a bottle of my other one left. Then next thing is the Brazilian cocoa cream. I have their cocoa moisturizer for the body. I have not tried this whipped one. This is for their bum, bust, and body cream. Visibly firms bum, bust, belly, and more. So we're gonna see. Okay, I am going to try this religiously all summer, and once it's done, I'm going to reuse these containers. I love containers like this. This is super cute. This is the only skincare. There are 2 things that they sent me. This is the skin therapy oil, and they also sent me their cleansing oil. You're only going to see the therapy oil, which I have not yet opened or used yet. Their cleansing oil, because I was already running out of my normal oil, my normal cleansing oil. I've been using that religiously, and I've loved the way it's taken off my makeup at nighttime. This is with vitamin E. It is for the face, but I just want to smell it. So if you're into face oils, this is definitely for you. I'm definitely going to give this to my sister because I'm not really good with skin oils too much, just because my skin is combo leaning towards oily. But that cleansing oil though. All right, and that's it for the Palmer's box. Thank you so much, Palmer's. I'm excited to use this stuff. You guys just know I will. This was literally the perfect summer body kit. I really can't wait to make content with this as well. I'm gonna go back to the Dermalogica box just because as the only box that I didn't actually show the product. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, and this is what their pre-cleanse bottle looks like. Open it up. I just want to see if it smells of anything. Oh, this smells really good. Oh, hold on. This smells plant-based, and is because it has lavender, rice bran oil, sunflower seed oil, orange peel oil, apricot. There's a whole bunch of these in here. Okay, this is a big bottle. So this is the special cleansing gel. And of course I'm going to smell it. Okay, this doesn't have a smell. The real test is going to be when I use this to wash off all my makeup. Oh, I forgot. This is actually a powder. Oh, okay. So there's a lot of powder that comes out as a little. So make sure you're careful with that because it has that hole and a lot of powder does come out. So I can just imagine that this probably goes a long way. I'll sweep that up later. There's literally no excuse for you not to be putting on sunscreen. Okay. Okay. I like this pump. Let's see how this comes out. I'm putting skincare on top of body care right now. This is nice. This is thick. I like that. I'm super excited about this. Okay. And that's it for all the skincare unboxings for this week. If you want to see my makeup unboxings, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what brand you're excited to see me use the most. I cannot wait to use all 3 of these brands. All 3 of these brands might be used up before summer is done. Also, let me know if there were any products in here that you would love for me to try on camera. I will definitely do that for you. I'll be doing a few skincare and body care routines with these. So stay tuned and I will see y'all next time. Peace, y'all.